Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a Fiverr account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in fiverr.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is here in the top right, you're gonna find sign in and also join. Go ahead and click on join and then you need to choose between continuing with your Google account. You can continue with your email account, or you can continue with Apple or Facebook. For example, I'm gonna click continue with email, and then right here you need to add your email address. So, for example, I'm gonna add this email address, and right here I'm gonna add a password. And once you do that, you click on continue, and after that, create a username. So, for example, I'm gonna use this username, and then if it's green, go ahead and click on create my account. And the last step is to add the verification code that's gonna be sent you through your email. So, once you type your verification code, wait for it a little bit. As you can see, guys, right here, there is checking code. And once you verify your account, as you can see, guys, right here, your account has been created. What brings you to Fiverr? So after that, just complete these steps. For example, uh, answer these questions. We want to tailor your experience so you'll feel right at home. So select what brings you to Fiverr, either buying freelance services or selling freelance services. You can also select them both and then click on next. What do you plan to use Fiverr for? My primary job or business, a side projects or business or personal use. Then click on next, next. So keep answering the questions so you can get the best experience out of Fiverr. What are you looking for today? I'm gonna select just exploring and click on finish. And as you can see, guys, now your account has been created. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.